enter the data related to the transplantation. From the patient overview, we click in one of the transplantations via SOAS number, and here we see that we can collect lab serology, lab virology, cross-match data, HLA antibodies, and DSA. And the section related to perioperative and ICU care, that it's divided in subsections. So let's start with lab serology. We enter the date and the result. In case date is not available and or result is not available, we can set it to missing via the icon. In case we have the same date for the full battery of tests, we can also copy and paste it for simplicity. And enter the results. Suppose we don't have this result, you see that the window turns gray. So in case actually we realize that we entered missing by mistake, we can re-click, therefore we re-enable the data entry. Then we enter the virology. You see that the structure also for this lab is the same for the serology lab. The only difference is that here we are requested to enter the detection. And in case the detection is measurable, then we enter the result. You see that the field result appears. And here we can enter the result. Then we enter the cross-match. This as well already existed in the previous system as part of the immunology. Here is just in a different structure. Select the method and the result. And a comment, if any. And in case of multiple tests and results, we can enter a second one via the plus in blue. Then HLA antibodies, here again date, method and result. If yes, we enter the immunological risk group. In case of DSA, then here actually we enter the specific DSA results. That can be more than one for a single transplantation. Therefore, by using the plus button, we can add actually a new record and therefore fill in with a new test result. Then we have the section perioperative and ICU care with the number of blood units, ICU episodes, that are those that are important to be collected. We can see that in case of admission to ICU, then actually we can enter start and stop date. And in case of another episode, again, we can enter another record, fill it in. Renal replacement therapy. In case of yes, it entered, then we can fill in start and stop date. This refers only to the pre-transplant, therefore we have only one entry, not multiple. And then, very similar to the admission to ICU, we have also the subsections related to extracorporeal life support. So if yes, then we are requested to enter the initiation phase with start and stop date, and we can collect multiple episodes. And for mechanical ventilation, very similar, we enter the phase and start and stop date, and then we save.